Let's look at the young lady's chin. What is that on the old lady?
The end of her nose.
Nose.
Took me a while, but I
Exactly.
finally found it.
Now look, nothing in the image changes, but your
Right.
words change depending on what you see. And perhaps your emotions change too. I mean, we've got, I think, more men here than women. When you see the young lady, how do you feel?
Elegant. It looks nice. And the old one
How
looks,
do you, that's not the question I'm asking. I'm asking how do you feel, not how does she look to you, but how do you feel when you see the young lady? Is there a difference in your emotions or what's going on in your body when you see the young lady as opposed to the old hag? I'm going to use that word.